So today we're going to talk about how to maintain your dye job after you dye. Like anything you care about, you have to take care of it on a consistent, regular basis. For True Suns users, that means reapplying True Suns every 7 to 10 days. That works out to about 12 to 15 washes. Some people need it a little more often or a little bit less often. It all depends. You can also use True Suns in between each full treatment to touch up areas of your beard or your hair that might go a little gray sooner. If you find that you need to apply more often than once a week, you might consider leaving it on for a longer application time, using our dye booster, or even going a shade darker. You really shouldn't have to apply more than once a week. Have any other questions? We're here to help. Just simply put it into the comments below and someone will get back to you. Thanks again for visiting us. We're True Suns and we're happy to have you.